Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable a Trello invitation link. So you see guys, if you've shared your Trello workspace in the past, most likely once you click on that link to copy it, it is going to enable that link. But you have to ensure that you disable this link afterwards if you no longer wish to share it. So how do you do that? You want to go ahead and click on members on the left hand side of this workspace, and you will see the option here that says invite members to join, right? And there's a link. You created that link or you copied that link, and it automatically put it now into an enabled state. So if you no longer wish to do this, just simply click on the option that says delete invite link, and that's it. The link will no longer work. But if you want to share this, guys, whenever you are going to share a link specifically and not adding someone by adding them with your email address, if you give the link like this, it's going to quickly copy the link. But guess what, it basically enables that, and it will always work until you disable it. So you want to ensure that you disable your invite link afterwards, and that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple.